Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to share your YouTube playlist on PC. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to easily share your favorite playlists with others. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC. Launch your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Step 2. Tap your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and click on YouTube Studio to access your channel's dashboard. Step 4. Once in YouTube Studio, locate and click on Content in the left side panel. Step 5. Click on Playlist to view all your playlists. Step 6. Find and select the playlist you want to share. Step 7. Hover over the playlist and click on the 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu of options. Step 8. From the options, click on Get a Shareable link. Step 9. The link will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Step 10. Paste the link wherever you want to share it, whether it's through email, social media, or any other platform. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your YouTube playlist on PC. Now others can easily access and enjoy your carefully curated collection of videos.